So do you know that there is a cardio which can help you to improve from a muscle soreness that you had from the heavy lifting that you did yesterday? Let me tell you my story. So I'm currently preparing for a charity run here in Sweden, which is called as Midnattsloppet. Now that is a 5 kilometer or 10 kilometer run. Right now I have participated in 5 kilometer run, and my target is to complete that 5 kilometer in 20 minutes. On last Sunday, I did my first outdoor complete 5 kilometer run, and I completed that in 24 minutes. Now next day, which is on Monday, I was supposed to do an interval training. But I could not do that interval training because my calf muscles were under tremendous soreness. Now when I asked ChatGPT that how can I recover my calf muscles quickly so that I can continue with my training, ChatGPT recommended me different things. For example, it recommended sauna, it recommended foam roll, it recommended vitamins to take in, it recommended calf stretches, and it also recommended to take more sleep. But there was one different thing that ChatGPT recommended, which I was not aware of before, which is to do an easy walking or cycling. Now it said that why to do these things, because it will improve the blood flow inside your calf muscles. Then while doing the research for this specific video, I got to know the activities which ChatGPT recommended are part of Zone 1 cardio. Now you will ask me, what is Zone 1 cardio? How can you do Zone 1 cardio? And what benefits will you get by doing Zone 1 cardio? And that is exactly what we are going to discuss in today's video. Hello everyone, my name is Ramakrishna and welcome to Fitness to Fulfillment channel. In our today's video, we will be understanding what is Zone 1 cardio and the science behind doing Zone 1 cardio. So without any further delay, let's get started. Zone 1 cardio, which is also known as recovery zone cardio, is basically those kind of activities where you need to keep your heart rate between 50 to 60% of your maximum heart rate. Now, in order to understand what is the meaning of maximum heart rate, I would recommend you to go back and watch my first video on cardio. So when you are doing Zone 1 cardio, that activity shall be performed in such a way that you can also have a conversation with another person while doing that Zone 1 cardio activity. Few common Zone 1 cardio activities involves walking, light cycling, elliptical machine on the gym, or doing a light swimming. Now let's take a situation. So you are a busy professional. You are working in a 9 to 5 job where you have to sit in front of the computer for whole day. And because of that, you're already feeling a lot of stagnancy and your brain, although, is under tremendous stress. Now, there are 4 distinct ways that I feel that you can do a little bit of light movement or Zone 1 cardio. First one is post lunch or post dinner. You can go out and you can have a 20-minute walk near to your area or near to your office area. Second is, instead of using a lift, you can use staircase. I don't mean that you need to run on the staircase. You just need to lightly walk upwards or downwards when you are going out of your apartment or when you are inside your office building. Third way that you can do Zone 1 cardio is that try to drink a water through a glass. Now why I am saying is that whenever that glass is finished, you will have to get up, you will have to go to the tap, you have to fill that glass again and come back to your desk. That creates a differentiation. And fourth one is that if a bus station or a train station from where you need to catch a bus or a train is within 1 kilometer from where you live, then I would recommend you to take a walk or do a cycling to that station instead of using your motorbike or any other mode of transport. So here are 3 science-backed benefits that Zone 1 cardio can offer. First one is it improves mitochondrial function. So mitochondria is actually an energy source of our cells, which cells need all the time. What Zone 1 cardio does is that it helps mitochondria in different ways. Firstly, it stimulates the production of new mitochondria. Secondly, it also cleans or removes the damaged mitochondria. And thirdly, it also helps mitochondria to take in more oxygen, which is helpful for them. Second one is that it improves the mental focus. Zone 1 cardio ultimately focuses on recovery. Because of that, your mind feels relaxed, and then after that it feels more focused. Third benefit that zone 1 cardio offers is that zone 1 cardio creates this aerobic exercise base without stimulating the strong SAD hormones. For example, when you do a high intensity interval training, you usually see that your serotonin level or the SAD hormone level also goes up because your muscles are a little bit sore, which does not happen in case of zone 1 cardio. And that's it from today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please put in the comment box that which specific benefit of zone 1 cardio you would like to have in your life, and please hit the like and subscribe button if you have not done it yet, and if you also like the video. Thank you for today, and we will see each other in the next part of this video series where we will talk about zone 2 cardio. Until then, stay fit and live a fulfilling life. Thank you.